Hello.
All right, so we went to our first homeschool conference last weekend, and there were so many great options there for curriculum, for activities, for sensory bins, the works. And so we actually came across this really great science company built by two teachers, and they're called the Science Nerds, and our package just came in. So we're gonna do an unboxing. Woohoo!
Unboxing videos.
All right, you ready? Here we go. So we did open it to get a little sneak peek. We cheated.
They put in such a small package.
Okay, grab the Amazon box. There you go. So this is the yearly kit, which brings everything your child needs for the entire year of science curriculum, which is so amazing. There are so many great activities and materials and things in here. And so what's really great is that everything comes pre-measured. So you only get exactly what you're gonna need for any experiments, activities, and you don't waste anything. Everything is recyclable. And check this out. This bin is an entire year's worth of stuff. We love it. We love when things are simple and compact. All right, let's see. It's called A Year of Science. And let's take a look at all the things that it brings. So you get a maze pencil, which is pretty cool.
I love maze pencil.
We've got our booklet, which has some more information about the kit itself and other activities and other kits that they have.
And what they
And what's
offer.
great is that everything has a QR code, so you could just scan it and see what everything brings. So it's awesome. All right. We've got Jen and Lindsay's business card. We've got A Year of Science. This is her workbook, her notebook. So she's got everything that's done already. And graphic organizers, charts, checklists, worksheets. Everything is just so beautiful and neatly organized and in color. And it's so wonderful. And I love being able to outsource this because it's already done. So she can just grab her notebook. We'll do the activities together. And she can just kind of go through it. Look at the colors. Look how beautiful everything is. These are the lesson plans. So everything has a theme, their activities, their supply list, the QR codes, videos. Seriously, everything is done for you. It's so beautiful. We've got all these things that we want to get out of the way. Lulu's going to want to bite them. So let's see some of the things that we have in here, some of the materials and supplies.
Oh no. Oh, fake worm.
Ooh, look at this.
The first thing I grabbed was this.
Got like a magnifying glass
Yes.
with bugs.
You can look through it and it's all of their different bugs and we can see what they have. Stuff like that.
So cool. You've got your own lab coat.
Yeah.
Can't wait. So they actually had one there in the conference that she was able to try on just to make sure that it was going to be her size and that she'd be able to grow into it. So I'm really grateful for that.
And I also got the science news. So I can put my name here in my photo. I'm sorry.
All right, so we've got some snow slime supplies. That's going to be fun. Everything comes labeled so you know exactly what it's for.
And when you look in your notebooks, you can see, oh, so I have to find this. And then you find it.
Robot and skeleton science.
Clouds in the sky.
Dino fossils. Oh my goodness.
Oh, and
Look at this. And
you
some
can
are
draw your own
seasonal.
flower.
These are amazing. Leprechaun trap for March. We've got all the science tools. So we've got some test tubes.
We got a magnifying glass.
Yep. Got funnels, glue, scissors, tongs. Goggles. So cool. Look at this. Grinch's growing heart. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Everything is themed and fun. And you've got all your materials
I don't think Grinch is hard.
pre-measured and everything is there ready for you. Grow an ornament.
Ooh.
How cute is that?
We have a bunch of different supplies for the activities.
Dinos. I love that they use simple materials and simple storage options like use Ziploc bags because it just makes organizing everything so easy. If you're not using it yet, you just put it right back in the bin. It has a home. You don't need to figure out where things go or go to Dollar Tree and buy extra supplies. It's all done for you. It's awesome.
We have glue. For some activities you need glue, so we got a bunch of glue.
We have all the glue that we're going to need for the whole year.
Yes.
We don't even have to go and buy anything extra.
Ocean in a jar. I want to do this one. This one should be cool.
It's super great, very exciting. It's pretty awesome. Look at that. Everything goes right back in there. And if we ever need any help or customer service, we have their email. We have all the information. And we're just so excited to use it. We'll share more throughout the school year. And
We'll share our activities.
yeah, we'll leave their information in the description below. If you have any questions, please let us know. We'd love to share more about these science activities. My girl is a total science nerd, so she's going to have the greatest time ever. And we know your kids will too. Bye. Bye. No, we're trying to show the science activities. You can't drink the vegetable oil.
No, it's bad.
Luna. Oh, Snuffin. Snuffins.